Hey guys, if you see this error code on your Samsung washer, this is a laundry washer washing clothes, and you have UB, that means unbalanced. Unbalanced means that right here the washer right here is not balanced. So check the type of clothes you have in here. It's probably you have a big blanket or like a heavy coat that is soaking up all the water. So when it's spinning to rinse the clothes, it's gonna be unbalanced because there's small items and big items mixed together. So to fix this, you wanna rinse when it's spinning large items by itself and then small items by themselves. So what you can do is you can press start again, make sure it's balanced, and then it's gonna try to do it again. You're gonna hear a sound, and just press on start. If it's not balanced, try to rebalance the clothes in there, and then just click start again. And after a little bit, it's gonna start spinning again. As you can see, it's gonna start spinning again, and if there's any error, it's gonna tell you. If you find this video helpful, please give a like so other people can see this video as well. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.